Welcome to Mozzie World. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey, this is my new video of unboxing and reviewing neckband of Zebronics. So let's do quick unboxing. So the packaging is good and there are some specifications mentions. Let me read out for you. So here it's Bluetooth version 5.2, extra ear tips, type C charging. Then on front it's 70 hours battery backup, 50 hours up to 100% volume. And on the left hand side the mentions the features like splash proof, dual pairing, gaming mode, noise cancellation, fast charging. And if you look at the pricing, here it is mentioned 1999, but I got for 549 only from Amazon. So let's take out the neckband. Oh, it's look nice. Let me see what's else inside along with the neckband. Okay, so there are some extra air tips and okay, type A to type C charging cable but no adapter, so that is good. And extra earbuds for different sizes, and the quality seems good. And the next is the manual. Here you can scan and check how to use. Let me keep this aside and take out the neckband. Okay, it's magnetic ear tips, that's really good. Okay, so the quality seems good, and here you can see the branding of Zebronics on the right and as well as on the left. And the ear tips, it is in ear, the quality is good, it is magnetic, that's good. And inside it is mentioned the model Jumbolite. The best part of this neckband is 70 hours battery backup, so I will give you the full review. You get three buttons. Minus is for decreasing the volume, plus for increasing, and in center is a power switch. If you press for 2 seconds it will switch on and search for Bluetooth. Light is blinking. Let me connect it with my mobile and then I will show you how it blinks. Once it get connected, the light only blinks blue, that means it is connected. So overall the quality is good and I recommend to everyone to buy because in 549 it's a very good deal. Let me know your thoughts in comment.
Thanks for watching Mozzie World. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.